Let's answer some frequently asked questions I get as a board-certified dermatologist. Why does my skin look dull and tired even with skincare? So kahit naman tayo may dedicated skincare routine, still parang ang nafe-feel natin na yung skin natin ay dull and tired, probably maybe due to dead skin buildup, hormone fluctuations, internal dehydration, and damage sa barrier function ng skin. Minsan, it only means na baka yung skincare mo doesn't address your specific skin's concern, and environmental factors or triggers or yung mga lifestyle habits natin are going against yung gusto nating mangyari sa balat natin. Number one, you have to develop a good skincare routine. So incorporate a gentle skin exfoliant that we use once or twice a week to avoid developing dead skin buildup. Number two, hindi ibig sabihin na pag maraming active ingredients na ginagamit ay very effective ito. So it's very wise to use products that have antioxidant properties such as your vitamin C and of course your daily protective sunscreen to combat these environmental stressors and pollution that effectively damages our skin. So lastly, of course, yung mga lifestyle and sleeping habits natin. Very important na kapag natutulog tayo, doon nagre-recuperate or nagre-regenerate ang balat natin. Always remember that during sleep, that is where our skin regenerates and repairs itself. So basically, kung hindi tayo natutulog, mas nahihirapan mag-recover ang balat natin. For more skincare tips, follow me for more and see you soon!